Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah just over a year ago had led a viral and very infectious campaign called Pay CM in order to oust the then BJP government under Basavaraj Bommai. Well, the phrase Pay CM appears to be back to haunt Siddaramaiah now, and the heat is getting to him. The opposition BJP is holding protests demanding Siddaramaiah's resignation. Demonstrators have gathered at the Vidhana Soudha, which is the assembly building, holding placards and shouting slogans since yesterday. Well, despite the growing pressure, Siddaramaiah remains defiant, refuses to step down from his position, but he is demonstrating that he's feeling the heat. Today, when a journalist tried to ask him a question, he snapped.
Political turmoil in Karnataka. Trouble mounts for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who faces an investigation in land allotment to his wife by the Mysore Urban Development Authority. The BJP on Thursday held protests demanding the Chief Minister's resignation. Demonstrators gathered at the Vidhan Soudha holding placards and shouting slogans.
After Session Court verdict, the BJP has conducted series of protests, including today's protest in front of Gandhi statue in Vidhan Soudha, demanding his resignation immediately. They allege that if Chief Minister Siddaramaiah continues to be in power when the investigation is happening at Lokayukta, it might influence the investigation.
Court is saying, not BJP, not anybody. Court is saying it is a scandal. So that's why we are asking the resignation of Mr. Siddaramaiah. When court is given the verdict, Siddaramaiah naturally is no right to sit in that seat.
He went to High Court, and High Court has upheld the decision of the governor to further inquire into Mr. Siddaramaiah's land scam. So Mr. Siddaramaiah being a chief minister, there cannot be a fair inquiry into the whole thing. So it is he should resign.
Despite the mounting pressure, Siddaramaiah remained defiant, refusing to step down from his position.
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು.
Congress leaders rallied behind Siddaramaiah.
There is no question of Chief Minister resigning. It is a political conspiracy. I have also tasted this conspiracy. We will fight it out legally and politically.
CM sir, today BJP are protesting is demanding resignation.
Amid the chaos, Siddaramaiah lost his cool when a reporter asked him about the BJP agitation.
Okay.
The uproar follows a Bengaluru Special Court's directive to the Lokayukta police to file a case against him in the alleged Muda scam. The case involves not only Siddaramaiah but also his wife Parvati, brother-in-law Mallikarjun Swamy and Devaraju, the alleged landowner. With the High Court also giving a go-ahead, the Lokayukta police are now set to start an investigation. With Sagai Raj and Anaga Keshav in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
And I just wanted to show you how Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, lost his cool and vented his anger at a journalist who was trying to get a reaction from him over the BJP's demand for his resignation. Just take a look at this. Let's put the sound up on that.
CM sir, today BJP are protesting is demanding resignation. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Okay. CM sir, today BJP are protesting is demanding resignation. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Okay.